Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already met the essentials: battery above 20% and the screen unlocked. Press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. Don't let go yet. Once the menu shows, press and hold power off. You'll see a safe mode prompt. This option is offered because the system detects a diagnostic restart. Make sure you read the prompt, because reboots in safe mode change which apps run, and this is the point where you trigger the mode. After you press and hold power off, tap the safe mode tile and confirm to reboot. You must approve this action. The phone will fully power cycle. Once it boots, check the lower left corner for the safe mode label so you know it worked. If the on-screen prompt doesn't appear, perform the hardware method. Power off, then power on and immediately press and hold volume down until startup completes. That alternate path forces the same restricted environment. To leave safe mode, simply restart the phone normally from the power menu. The device will boot back into regular mode with all apps restored. If problems you were diagnosing persist in normal mode, uninstall recent apps one at a time and retest while using safe mode for comparison. If the hardware method doesn't work or you still see instability, clear the cache partition from recovery. This can remove corrupted temporary files without losing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.